In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send one-time view photo on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app, and once it is done, tap right here to go to your chats. Then enter a conversation, and now we have two ways to upload a photo: by clicking right here at this camera icon or by clicking right here at this photo icon. However, only clicking at camera icon can upload a photo that can only be viewed once. So we need to tap right here, and that's where at the bottom left corner you will find your camera roll icon. We can tap on it, that will open up our camera roll, and then all we have to do is just select a photo. Now guys, we can edit it, we can use any of these tools, we can draw here something or add a sticker or whatever, and then before sending it, right here tap at allow reply until it will say here view once. After that, just hit add send to send this picture, and this photo will only be available for viewing once, after which it cannot be opened again by your recipient. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.